Today we are going to look at how to find the range of a rational function. In our previous video, we look at how to find the domain. So please, if you don't know, have the video of how to find the domain, or you haven't watched that lesson, I will put the link on the subscription box, so please go through it. Okay, now you need to know that the range of a rational function is the same as the domain of the inverse function. What do I mean by that? For us to find the range of a rational function, first of all, we need to find the inverse of the function, okay? And we also find the domain of the inverse of the function. So stay with me as we take illustrative examples. Let's say we have a function f of x equals to 2x plus 1 all divided by 3x minus 2. So let's find the range of the function. So let's say that find the range of f of x. So this is going to be, first we can rewrite the function by saying that f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 all divided by 3x minus 2. So we can say let the function f of x be equals to y, so that we can find the inverse function. Alright, so this means that y is going to be equals to 2x plus 1 all divided by 3x minus 1. Now to interchange the variable, we cross multiply, and this is going to give us y times into bracket 3x minus 2 equals to 2x plus 1. Alright, so expanding the bracket, we are going to have 3xy minus 2y equals to 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's isolate every term with x. So this is going to be 3xy minus 2x equals to 1 plus 2y, right? So let's isolate the value of x. This will give us x. 3y minus 2 equals to 1 plus 2y. Alright, so it means that x will be equals to, when you divide through by 3y minus 2, you're going to have 1 plus 2y all divided by 3y minus 2. Okay, now to find this is the inverse of the function. Recall this was y equals to 2x plus 1 all divided by 3x minus 2. Here we have the inverse to become x equals to 1 plus 2y all divided by 3y minus 2. So to find the range of this function, we can say that let 3y minus 2 should not be equals to 0, okay? So if it is not equals to 0, it means that 3y is also not equals to 2, and y is also not equals to 2 over 3. So if you want to say in this, the range of the function will be y such that y should belongs to all real numbers, except y shouldn't belongs to what? 2 over 3. So the range of the function can be a set of all real numbers except the value of 2 over 3. Okay, let's also try another question. If we have a function f of x equals to x plus 4 all divided by x squared minus 16. So we have to find the range of this function. So we can say that let y equals to f of x. So this means that our y will be equals to x plus 4 all divided by x squared minus 16. Alright, so in this case, we see that this can be simplified. Y equals to x plus 4 all divided by x minus 4 times x plus 4. Okay, now we know that x plus 4 is gone. Okay, and we are left with y equals to 1 over x minus 4. To interchange this function, so we are going to say that y times x minus 4 is equals to positive 1. So this is going to give us what xy minus 4y equals to 1. Grouping line term, this will be xy equals to 1 plus 4y. So that from here, with dividing through by y, we are going to have x equals to 1 plus 4y, all divided by y. But we need to know that y is not equals to 0, because if y take the value of 0, the function will become undefined. So we can say that the range of that function can be any real number except y equals to 0. So we can say that this is y belongs, shows that y belongs to the set of all real numbers except y shouldn't be equals to 0, because if y take the value of 0, the function will become undefined. We have f of x equals to 6x squared plus x minus 1 all divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, so this function f of x, when we find the factor of this denominator, we're gonna be thus 3x minus 2 times x plus 1. So these are the factors for this expression, the denominator. And for the numerator, for the denominator x squared minus 2x minus 3, we will have it to be x plus 1 times x minus 3. Alright, so in this case we see that x plus 1 is gone, x plus 1 is gone. So the function f of x is going to give us 3x minus 2 all divided by x minus 3. So we can say that let y equals to the function f of x. So this means that our y is equals to 3x minus 2 all divided by x minus 3. So to interchange the variable, we are going to have here the subject in particular. We are going to have here y times x minus 3 equals to 3x minus 2. Alright, so when expanding this bracket, this will give us xy minus 3y equals to 3x minus 2. So let's isolate all the terms with x to the right, to the left hand side. We are going to have xy minus 3x equals to positive 3y minus 2. Alright, so making x the subject, we are going to have x out, and this will be y minus 3 equals to 3y minus 2. When we divide through by the coefficient of x, which is y minus 3, we are going to have x equals to 3y minus 2 all divided by y minus 3. Now, to find the range, this is the inverse function. First of all, the inverse of the function f of x. So if we have to find the range, we can say that y minus 3 should not be equals to 0, and the value of y should not be equals to positive 3, because if y take the value of positive 3, the function will become undefined. So we can say that the range of this function is gonna give us y belongs to all real numbers, so the set of all real numbers positive infinity to negative infinity, except y shouldn't be equals to what? Positive 3. So you can take all other value but not 3. Okay, so let's also look at another question before we bring this section to a close. If we have a function f of x equals to x plus 1 all divided by x plus 3. So basically we just say let the function f of x be equals to y. Alright, so this means that y is equals to x plus 1 all divided by x plus 3. Okay, now to interchange the variable, we cross multiply, which will give us y times x plus 3 equals to x plus 1. And expanding this bracket, we are going to have xy plus 3y equals to x plus 1. So this is going to give us, isolating the variable xy minus x equals to 1 minus 3y. So this will be x outside y minus 1 equals to 1 minus 3y. And when we divide through by y minus 1, x will be equals to 1 minus 3y all divided by y minus 1. Now to find the range of this function, we can say that y minus 1 should not be equals to 0, and this means that y should also not be equals to positive 1. So the range of the function should be equals to the set of all real numbers except y shouldn't be positive 1. Okay, except y should not be equals to positive 1. So next lesson we are looking at multiplication of rational function. See you. Thank you.